What a beautiful morning. That's why I get to wake up to every morning. And so peaceful and quiet. You know, poem I got. So beautiful out here. Look at that big tree. Racetrack down there. A rare car. Thou shalt unravish, bride of quietness. Thou foster child of silence and slow time. Salivan historian, who canst thus express a flowery tale more sweetly than our rhythm. What leaf-fringed legend hewn haunts about the shape of deities or mortals, or of both? What men or gods are these? What maidens loth? That damn train. What mad pursuit? What struggle to escape? What pipes of tremble and trembles? What wild ecstasy? Heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter. Therefore, ye soft pipes play on, not to the sensitive ear, but more endeared pipe to spirit deities of no tone. Far youth beneath the trees thou canst not leave thy song, nor ever can these trees be bare. Bold lover, never, never canst thou kiss. Thou winning near the goal yet, do not grieve, she cannot fade, though thou hast not the bliss. Forever wilt thou love, and she be fair. Ah, happy, happy boughs that cannot shed their leaves, nor never did the spring adieu, or whatever. And happy melodies, unwearied, forever piping songs forever new. More happy love, more happy, happy love. Forever warm and still to be enjoyed, forever panting, forever young. All breathing human passion far above that leaves a human high sorrowful and cloth a burning forehead and a parching tongue. That's about all I want to read. Who are these coming to sacrifice? To what green altar, O mysterious priest, leads thou that heifer lowing at the sky? And all her shinking flanks with garlands dressed. What little town by river or seashore or mountain built with peaceful, I don't know what that word is, citadel is emptied of these folk this precious morning? In little town these streets forevermore will silent be, and not a soul to tell why thou art desolate can e'er turn. O arctic shape, fair attitude with breed of marble men and maidens woe, with forest branches and trodden weed. Thou silent form, thou tease us out of thought, as doth eternity cold pastoral, when old age shall this generation waste. Thou shalt remain in midst of other woe, than others a friend to man, to whom thou sayest, beauty is truth, truth beauty, and that is all ye know on earth, and all you need to know.